What's up, everybody? Kyler Gifford here, your favorite San Marcos, Wimberley area realtor. Coming at you today with the video of one of my very own listings, 141 Lookout Drive, a very special place here in Wimberley because you get 10 acres of beautiful, beautiful land with gorgeous, unobstructed hill country views. And you get the convenience of being within 15 minutes of San Marcos, Wimberley, and Canyon Lake. Privacy, convenience, and luxury. So I'm gonna take you through, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the land. I hope you enjoy. So from where I'm at in the driveway, right out here would take you out to the neighborhood, to the main road. You have this tall covered parking for your RV. You have a 2-car detached garage. And forgive me for the wind, one of the many things about owning 10 acres in the hill country. But it feels great on this hot day. So I'm gonna take you over here to the left. To show you this nice grove of oak trees and the serene sitting area. Take a listen. And this area over here was removed of all cedar trees, one by one, not rapidly. The earth wasn't stripped. It was meticulously cleared to leave only the beautiful oaks. You have 5,000 gallons of rainwater collection and filtration. So it collects, filtrates, then softens, and you're on a well. So you can't run out of water. Unless, of course, the ground dries up and it never rains again. Well, then I can't guarantee that. So this is the entryway, which is actually wheelchair accessible all the way from the front, because it ramps right up. Custom masonry. So you have 3 entrances. This one takes you to bedroom number 2. This one takes you to a living room. This one takes you to another living room. I'm gonna go in from the left side. So here's what you get. And you'll see the wood burning furnace here. That is not this home's only form of heat. That is simply just a luxury for when you're hanging out in the wintertime. There is central heat. And here's one of the living rooms. And you'll see the home has many, many big, open, beautiful windows. I mean, just look. Look at what I'm looking out of this window right now. You can see the hills. And it's a very open floor plan, and it has the stained concrete, which is meticulously designed, and it is absolutely beautiful. And look at the lines that accent the floor. So I'll give you a look from this corner over here. You have a little breakfast dining area, the living room, and then the kitchen. And the kitchen has stained concrete countertops. You can tell the homeowner loves concrete. And it makes sense for living in the hill country. And those of you who are from the hill country will understand. So very open. All the cabinet space you could ever need. and room to expand if you wanted. And look at this little beauty. 1952 gas stove, fully refurbished. And she is just gorgeous. All the hardware is perfect. So that's just one of the many amenities. And then we have a utility room here. And this is the other door that you saw outside, leads to the patio garage. So you could, if it was a muddy day, you could walk right up and come into your mudroom. Has a nice little sink. And then this bathroom here actually connects the living room to the utility room. So let me get a shot for you. And again, the stained concrete counters, lots of cabinet space, and a beautiful walk-in shower. And one thing to note too, all the doors in this home are 100% solid wood, no hollow doors. We have hardwood floor in here. And this could be a second living room. The homeowner has chosen to use this as a pool room, which I completely agree with. You got the wet bar, the pool table, which can convey with the home if you'd like. He will sell the pool table and the wet bar with it. If you like the way this is set up, you don't even have to change it. And again, more big, beautiful windows to let the natural light in. And through this room will take us the master bedroom. If you walk over here, you have the master's closet, which opens up to this gorgeous sunroom that has, the windows in this home alone are just incredible. They're all dual pane, so it's very well to help regulate the temperature. If you stand at this point in the window, you have an amazing view of this gorgeous oak tree, or you can come a little bit to the right and you have more hill country views. And even better, this sunroom, it's powered by the quietest wall unit I've ever heard. Listen. Yeah, you're not listening to anything because you can't hear it. And there's another exit to the porch as well, which I will take you out to see in a minute. So through the master bedroom, we get the master bath. And it has the double vanity. So we have one here, and they are freestanding, which me personally is a huge bonus. And the hardware is gorgeous. You have this full body mirror. Hey. And those of you who know me know that I love my toilets in their own room, because it just makes sense. And believe me or not on this one, but this is just another gem that makes this home that much more special. This bathtub was once Willie Nelsons. That's right, crimson red, golden clawfoot. And here's the magazine to prove it. Willie Nelson himself in the tub. See the hardware? Boom. And for all intents and purposes, I would be remiss. That's right, I am in the same tub as Willie Nelson himself. You could be too. You could be too. All right. And this will take us to the second bedroom. That has a big walk-in closet. And a second place to have washer and dryer hookups. So this could be its own little apartment, because like I said, here's the door that leads back out to the front. There's windows. This home is flooded with natural light, but the best kind of flooding. And you have 3 ways to get onto the porch. I'm going to choose to go out this one right here. So we have an entrance here and an entrance over there as well, which leads right into the living room. And take a look at the size of this beautiful porch. And this would be your backyard. And just listen to that. Imagine waking up to that every single day. And on this side of the 10 acres, you have a creek that runs down. So there would be the chance to get some running water. It would never come into the house. It's too sloped right here to flood. But over this hill on the other side of a drop-off, there is a wet weather creek. And every place that you've seen that has been cleared of cedar trees, all the cedar trees have been taken out one by one. There wasn't some bulldozer in here knocking down trees and destroying the land. It was meticulously pulled out, and the land has always been cared for. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And just to reiterate, we have 10 acres, a 3,400 square foot house, 15 minutes from Wimberley, San Marcos, and Canyon Lake, with the luxury of this. No road noise. You can't see your neighbors. So if you have any questions about the home or any other home, you can reach me at kylergifford.com or on my Facebook and Instagram at Kyler Gifford Realtor. And when you are ready to take that next big step in life, don't just move. Move forward with me, Kyler Gifford. I hope everybody has a beautiful day.